The political psychology of conflict and cooperation is it's a fascinating new module we're putting together. And it's sitting alongside modules that examine conflict, cooperation, security, diplomacy. The purpose of the course is to understand the psychological mechanisms that determine political decision-making, that drive the way individuals, institutions, organizations react to events that shape the world of international politics. So very often in political science we look at the effects, we study effects, why did this, and we look at what happened and when it happened. But we very rarely focus at what were the steps that generated this particular event from happening, what were the emotional content and the cognitive content that went into political decisions so that we can arrive at particular outcomes. What this course does is focusing on the psychological dynamics of how these events take place. So what is the role of emotions? What is the role of cognition, so thinking? We're going to be looking at different types of processing models, how we receive information, how we make decisions on the basis of the information we receive. We're going to look at the way emotions color or interact with cognition and deliver a particular outcome, again, a decision. We'll be examining stereotypes, we'll do heuristics. And so overall, what this course does is allow us to understand a very often undescribed or taken for granted black box of political decision making, in order to then be able to get a better idea of why events happened the way they did. So the course has a theoretical and an empirical component. So there will be a lecture format and interacting with the readings, but also we'll have the opportunity to come together as a group and design our own unique political psychology research project that is related to a major puzzle in international relations. And hopefully by the end of the course, we'll be able to come to terms with the benefits and the shortcomings of our analytical, theoretical and empirical world in processing real world phenomena. So as we learn about the theories, we are also going to be learning about survey methods, experimental design, interviews, content analysis, discourse analysis, and how we can take these tools and use them to our advantage to be able to unpack or deconstruct the way political phenomena take place. So what you need for this course is an open mind, enthusiasm in understanding the puzzles of political decision making, and interest in engaging with the fascinating insights of disciplines like international relations, political psychology, sociology, communication, and political methodology. So if you have any questions or you want to know anything else about the course or receive material to prepare for the course in advance, don't hesitate to send me an email.